Alright, got a new acquisition today. Got the FMS T-28. This is the 1400 millimeter size. This will be the maiden flight on it. I ordered this straight from FMS. Horizon Hobby had them on back order for a while now, several months. So FMS Direct had them in stock. So I went ahead and placed the order and got it in about a week. Now I got to tell you, that's pretty good for shipping from overseas. I'm sure they probably got a staging warehouse somewhere in the States here, though, to fill that quickly. But one thing, FMS has zero interaction with the consumer. I placed the order and waited and never got a confirmation email or anything, and it kind of made me think that it was maybe on back order or something. But kept checking my PayPal account, and the transaction was listed as pending, and then it finally went over and billed the actual account. So gave it a couple more days and the plane showed up. I emailed FMS at their website 5 times and didn't get a single response from them. So I guess in my experience, if you order straight from FMS, be wary of not getting any interaction from them if you need to get in touch with them. So we'll give this a maiden here in a minute and see how it goes. T-28 maiden flight from FMS, flying out on a 4S 2700 battery. It's the same battery that I use on the Rebel. Now this does, from the factory, it says you can fly it on 4S, 5S, or 6S. Okay. Unfortunately, I didn't bring anything but 4S batteries for it. A little bit foggy out here today.
Told you, keep it up. Keep it.
But I think
the runway.
Gonna have to put a little trim in this one.
If you fly it again, let's get on that side of the runway, on down south.
Oh, it's fine. It's foggy out, but it ain't nothing to interfere with flying, Jim. She's perfect. Perfect day. Very small winds.
Near my house, it was 90% gone.
That's a nice scale flyer, Jim.
It looks nice.
I think on 6S it may give it a little wake-up call, but on the 4S will give us a high-speed pass here in front of us. There's Max. Not fast at all, so if you're just wanting to putz around, 4S is the way to go. See how she loops. Nice good loop. We're on low rates on the aileron, so we get an outbound barrel roll going here.
You know, I got a brand new CJ I got last summer.
That's right, you did buy a new one, didn't you?
Yeah, I need to either get that up and going or fix the old one.
What's wrong with the old one?
Nose gear again. I landed it one time. I didn't land it all that hard. I bent the thing.
Oh, and you can't just bend it back?
I think it messed up stripped out the gear in it.
Oh.
And I hadn't taken time to look at it. I hung it on the wall.
Right.
But that plane is really pretty.
It flies really well. Whoa, watch out, sunshine.
Yeah, you're okay. You're okay. Next time, turn a few feet before you hit the sun.
You ain't that the truth. Yeah, I have the little small Park Zone T-28, and that's the first time I'd ever flown a T-28 was at Park Zone.
Yeah, well,
and this thing is just a wonderful flyer. Nice and smooth.
It's amazing how far they've come in like 6-7 years with this plane.
Yeah.
I'm surprised somebody else had done it.
I figured it'd be with the fog. Once I seen that, well, that's what's keeping them out. But you know, this is Christmas week. A lot of people on vacation.
Yeah. Well, I'll probably come tomorrow.
It's cold out, but you know, no wind.
Yeah.
36, 35 degrees is okay with no wind.
Yeah, there was a frost on my car this morning. I went, oh shoot.
Man, this thing flies good, Jim. If you just want a relaxing flight.
Yeah, you want to wind it out.
Yeah, exactly. I guess I'll come around for a landing. I haven't no idea what the battery pool is going to be like. It's a heavy plane though. Yeah. It's probably 6 to 7 pounds. Yeah, he texted me and said he did.
Oh, did he? Yeah, I texted him Saturday morning and he called me. And we talked for about 20-30 minutes and I asked him about the video. I texted it yesterday, or I flew it yesterday. And I was really happy about that.
Yeah, I told him get us some video on it.
Yeah, he likes the speed, you know what I mean?
Yeah. He said it does over 100.
Oh yeah, he's got a 5-cell. He was just excited, that's all I can say.
Man, that thing flies good.
I'd be happy with that plane.
Yeah, it's definitely staying in the keeper list. FMS T-28 uneventful maiden, that's the way I like them. Thanks for watching.